Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable tiramisu cupcakes. I love this dessert idea because they have all the flavor of a traditional tiramisu, but I find them to be easier to make. They're also so fun and festive that they would be a great dessert to bring to a potluck if someone has asked you to bring dessert. Let me show you how to put them together. So we're first going to make our vanilla cupcake base. So in a large bowl, you want to add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of either canola oil or vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can whisk that all together until combined. And then in a smaller bowl, you want to add 1½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you can whisk that together. Then you want to slowly add your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, whisking all the while until everything is incorporated. Then you want to fill your muffin tin. You can use any cupcake papers you like. I found these really cute little brown ones that have a gold interior that I thought looked extra fancy. So I'll leave you a link in the description if you want to know where to find them. So you just want to fill these with an ice cream scoop. I wouldn't go all the way to the top, so probably about 2/3 of the way full. And then you're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere from 15 to 17 minutes. And then while your cupcakes are cooling, you can create the coffee rum bath. So this is what we're going to actually brush on top of our cupcakes. So it really just takes about 1/4 cup of any strong coffee. I like to use espresso just because we have an espresso machine here and it's easy to do, but you could also just use regular strong coffee or instant espresso would work too. And then to that, I also like to add 1 teaspoon of rum flavored extract, just to kind of give that flavor of a tiramisu. You could use real rum if you wanted to, but I find that you get a lot more flavor from the rum extract. Then you want to take a fork and just poke some holes in the top of your cupcakes. And this will allow this coffee mixture to seep through the cupcake. And then working with a pastry brush, you're going to go over and brush each cupcake about 2 to 3 times just to allow that coffee to seep into the cupcake. And you can keep them there on your counter while you prepare the frosting. So for our frosting, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream into the bowl of an electric mixer, 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to whip that up on high until stiff peaks form. Then once your whipped cream is fully whipped, you can set that aside. And in a large bowl, you're going to add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. And then you slowly are going to add the whipped cream to the cheese, just a little at a time, lightening the cheese. So basically folding it in. And sometimes I find it's easy to take your spatula and just rub it alongside the edge of the bowl, just pressing it and lightening it at the same time. That will help that cheese incorporate and you have a nice fluffy mixture. Then you can transfer your frosting into a pastry bag fitted with a small round tip. Because when I pipe the frosting on the cupcakes, I like to give them almost like a coiled effect, starting from the outside and working your way in. And then once all your cupcakes are frosted, you can dust them with some unsweetened cocoa powder. And that will also give you that tiramisu effect. And it looks really pretty as the cocoa powder kind of sticks to each coil. And then we also want to add some freshly grated bittersweet chocolate on top. And when you cut into them, you'll see how that coffee has seeped into the cake. You've got that lightly flavored whipped cream and mascarpone cheese. It is just the best way to eat tiramisu in a single serving. I hope you guys give this one a try and let me know what you think. And I will see you back here next week with another easy and delicious recipe.